Hello. In this video, I will show you how to easily access all your DBxtra Report Objects data in real time from within Microsoft Excel. The DBxtra XL Reporting Service is an add-on to Excel, and once installed, you have access to all report objects assigned to the user group you belong to. Connect to your DBxtra Report repository. You only have to do this once. Log in with your user credentials. Now you have access to all DBxtra Report Objects assigned to the user group you belong to. To insert a Report Objects dataset, select it and double-click it. Now choose if to insert the data as a static or live real-time connected data sheet or pivot table. Select if to insert the data in a new or in an existing Excel sheet. Let's insert it as live connected data. If the report object has parameters assigned, you'll be asked to enter them. Now your data in this Excel sheet is live connected to your data source. Format fields, assign conditional formatting, sort, and group, create new columns with Excel formulas, and design charts based on the data you inserted. In short, work with Excel as usual. To refresh the dataset, just click the Refresh button and the Excel Reporting Service will retrieve the most recent data from your data source. If the DBxtra Report object has a parameters assigned, you can select a new one by clicking the Refresh Parameter button. Now let's insert a live connected pivot table. Optionally, you can also add a pivot chart. Since this report object has defined parameters, you need to enter it. Drag and drop fields to the pivot grid's column, row, filter, and data areas. Format the pivot grid to your liking and work with it as usual. Let's take a look at the pivot grid chart. The pivot grid and pivot chart are bound together and interactive, so changes to either one will be reflected right away. Now let's refresh the data of the pivot grid. Just click the Refresh button on the Excel Reporting Service menu bar, and you'll get the most recent data. You can save the Excel workbook at any time, and when reopening it, all data sheets you created with the DBxtra XL Reporting Service will still be live connected. Remember, just click the Refresh button and be always updated with the most recent live data. Now I'll show you how to open any DBxtra report and dashboard with the XL Reporting Service. To open a report, select it and click the Report button on the menu bar. If parameters were assigned to the report, you'll be asked to enter them. The XL Reporting Service will open in a new window and display the report. You can now work with your report just the same as from within the DBxtra desktop viewer. Let's open a dashboard. Select the dashboard and click its button on the menu. Now the dashboard will open in a new window where you can interact with it as usual. Reports and dashboards will stay open in their windows until you close each of them, or until you exit Excel. You can toggle between the reports and dashboards windows and refresh its data at any time. Thank you. Please check our online documentation for more information on how to work with the DBxtra XL Reporting Service.